United USA and a building swaying in China. What is this?
怎么回事？中途在跑。
Wow, this is crazy. So, Friday, I guess this happened about 5 days ago. 3 days here, but it says 1,167 feet Seg Plaza in southern Chinese city of Shenzhen was evacuated and closed as authorities and the building's owners, electronic group, continued investigating what caused the building. So here's the thing. There was no weather or wind that was causing it to happen. There was no earthquakes reported on the Richter scale. And when officials had investigated it, they said the foundation was fine. Nothing to see here, folks. I meant to post this a few days ago, so go ahead, like it, share it, and get it out there.